Day 2 of the Venetian plaster on our fireplace. You guys ready?
Yeah.
We're tired, but we're ready.
We are tired. So we're gonna slap this on and then we're gonna try and make it to Azir's basketball game. But it got all like cracked and stuff. So I'm actually gonna do the corners first, but as you can see, I'll show you the corners weren't fully covered. So here you can see the edges. They weren't fully covered last time. We had to really cake it on the corners because they were just crumbling, even though we scraped the drywall and stuff before. So I basically need to do from here down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, you guys ready to go?
Yeah. It's got supplies.
Okay, we only got down to there, but it's fine. We'll finish it next time. It's day 3 of the Venetian plaster application. We had some issues with the corners because they kept chipping off. So even though we like sanded them and scraped them down, we did a really thin coat the first time. The second time, I just globbed a bunch on there with my finger. And we're letting that dry and harden. Today we're gonna try and maybe build up the corners a little bit more and then do a last coat of the plaster because I think we only need 3 to cover up all that texture and stuff. We got the nosing for our stairs, super exciting, so we could start putting the flooring down. So we're gonna do the nosing on the stairs, and then once we get that done, we can floor the whole upstairs. Yay. Oh, here comes Joe. He's got the lunch box.
Because it sits on this tongue here, and then this is too high.
Oh, so it looks like we're gonna have to go back and wait another 6 months.
Is this a solid piece of wood?
Yeah, when you lock in the tongue, which you're supposed to do,
Okay.
it sits too high. So these are wrong. You can do this right here. You could knock this down.
That's what I was thinking.
And then you also have to knock some of this off too.
Would you?
Yes, because it would have to sit to match.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to knock this part of the tongue down. They should know this though. They have the specs for all that.
Well, we're already off to a darn it kind of a start here, to say the least. Here, I'll turn it on over to Jordan. Tell him what happened, honey.
I don't know. They made the trim wrong. So I have to return it all and have them remake it. And we'll see what kind of battle we have to deal with them, because they're going to deny it. But I know that we provided them the right information and they made it wrong, so we'll see.
We had to get it custom made, and they based it off of the flooring that they sell at the Floor and Decor. So the nosing is too high. So instead of butting up perfectly like it should, it's too high. So we're gonna pivot. I'm gonna finish working on the fireplace. Needs to be sanded because there's some cracks in the plaster and stuff. So luckily we have enough to do a 3rd and 4th coat if we need, and I'll just do it thinner. And Jordan is going to floor the downstairs.
Start down here, yeah, might as well. Vacuum and
So that'll be awesome.
start cleaning and just work my way down the hallway. And then I'm gonna leave under the stairs open in case we run out of flooring. And then we can just do tile down there or whatever, because we can't get any of this flooring.
Because they stopped selling the flooring.
Yeah, so getting the flooring will be harder, so I'm just gonna try to, I'll just clean this out, do this entry, and then work my way down the hallway, see what's up.
This is gonna be tile. If we run out of flooring, this closet could be tile as well.
And then as well as this under stair deal.
Yeah.
I would like to do it all.
I'd rather do it all wood, but yeah, I mean,
I ordered quite a bit, but now that we have to do the stairs in the flooring, because we were gonna do full treads, but it was way too expensive, so then we'll just use a piece and a half of flooring.
Yes.
And so we might end up using more flooring than we otherwise would have.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess we'll see.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's gonna be so beautiful. Okay, this is it sanded. Looks pretty cool, like with the texture and stuff, but obviously the next coat will cover up these sand lines, and then when we do the last sand, we'll use a really, really light sandpaper so you can't see any of the scuffs and lines. Let's go see what Jordan's doing.
Check on me.
Ooh, first piece of the floor. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Oh my gosh, my face is really dirty. I thought I was really tan. I was like, cool, I look pretty tan.
I love
Fresh
fresh.
Mentos, the fresh makers. So Jordan ran out of glue.
Mm-hmm. I don't have the right cleanup.
We got a little mess here. I'm gonna scrape up the excess, and Jordan's gonna kind of clean up everything else, and
Then we're gonna head out.
then we're gonna head home. What was Joe doing, babe?
Eating spaghetti. Eating spaghetti. I can smell it on him.
You can smell it on him.
Yeah.
This stuff was trying to pull apart, you know.
Uh-huh.
So if I left it overnight, it could. This was separating, you know.
Oh, yeah.
So that's why I nailed this in here. But yeah.
All right, well, I'll let you go.
Decent. Hey, thanks for the stuff.
Yeah, keep it. Keep it.
Okay, appreciate it.